this truck here just pulled into here. Just pulled into like this spot. This. Oh, what's that? Like I said, this is what they do. It's always a man in a truck. Or whatever. Like I said, it's so funny. Oh, look, there's another act, whatever. But it's always a man. Or whatever. That's the second act. So that's constant. So, if I'll be posting these videos later. So, oh look, 8790. So did I not say that the fire department? So girl, like I said, for the proof, CJL 3688. They're red cars from Georgia. So, but did I not say that the fire department stalks and follows and harasses? Girl, like I said, proof. Proof, honey. And this is going on YouTube, so don't think that it ain't. Anyways.